Hey guys, it's Alice with WTI and I want to show you this conditioner for my hair.
It really works for me. My hair is very curly and yet really dry, but this conditioner works wonders. It makes my hair super soft, and after washing, or if it's really dry and needs styling, it helps a lot. I love having tangle free hair, so I love using this conditioner. Plus, it smells like strawberries, so the nice essence stays in my hair. Even after rinsing, a bit of this lovely essence lingers, and I love the final results. Super soft hair that's much easier to manage than before. So I can do any kind of hairstyle to go out and look pretty.
And this is my point of view.